Alright, so we're getting on the Disney treasure here in just a few days. I'm going to give you the top things that we bring as top tier cruisers on a Disney cruise line. The cruise adventure on the high seas. I'm going to tell you what, you can get stuck out there if you need some things and you don't have them. So you might want to bring some of these things. We're about ready to show you. And it's not funny sometimes when you got to have a little extra something with you and you ain't got it. So let's go take a look at some of the things that I suggest that you bring. Let's go. Boom. Well, you don't want to bring her. That's me and the familia in December on the Fantasy. Alright, so we got a lazy dog here, but that's not what we're going to take with him. We're going to leave this guy behind. And this guy right here. You lazy bum. He's the bestest dog in the world, this guy right here. First thing we're going to do is bring our cards. And we're going to be in room 6200. So we got to have that, number one. The next thing we need to do is bring all of our pirate merch. You want to be a pirate, buddy? You're going to be a pirate merch. So you got to have the pirate merch for Pirate Night. So don't forget your pirate merch. Next thing you need to do is bring pixie dust. This is going to be our pixie dust right here. They're reusable straws. Man, they weigh a lot. And we got 100. How many do we have, Diane?
150.
150 of them. So we're going to do 150 rooms. It's some good toilet paper. Because if you're a little tushy, probably going to get worked out a little bit with the food change that you're going to get on the Disney Cruise Line. So be forewarned with that one. And while we're at it, let's talk about some air freshener. You are going to be in a room if you're going to be experiencing some new food culture to your stomach. So I suggest that you get yourself something that smells pretty good. You spray in the bathroom. Baby wipes. You never know when you need baby wipes. So we always bring a pack of baby wipes every time we go on a Disney Cruise Line. And believe me guys, they come in handy many times. It goes without saying you need to bring your door magnets here. We've been on every ship. We're getting on the treasure. That'll put us on all 6 of them. Yeah, we've been on the Fantasy a lot. We've been on the Magic a lot. We've been on the Wonder a lot. On the Wish once. Dream twice. Hey guys, got to bring your magnets. We got all sorts of magnets here that we've collected over the years. We got platinum in April at some point in time. We always put that on our door because we're big dog fans, obviously. Yeah, we got all sorts of fun stuff. There you go, guys. So make sure you get your door magnets on your doors. Guys, you're gonna need bags because if you're gonna do any sort of merch shopping, you're gonna need bags to carry the stuff back in because they don't give you bags. So you're gonna need bags. So we get these 2 little bags that the wife goes and does the merch shopping and she carry it back to the room. So that's another good thing. And we got a little package here with some safety pins and some sewing equipment, some Velcro, that type of stuff. Because man, you never know when you're gonna need that for sure. All right, pro tip right here, Castaway pro tip. What do you think that is? Well, it is a headscarf. But what we do is if we get a lounge chair in the area, we tie this around high. So when we go out to the ocean, we can come back and find out where we're sitting. We're not looking for where we sat, especially if we, swim out there real far and get kind of knocked off course. You can find out where you're sitting just simply by putting something like this on your umbrella or on your chair to find it. How about that pro tip? Alright, here's another pro tip. See this little guy right here? This little guy right here is a very special component because if you go to Castaway or you're on the deck, sunbathing, and it's windy, you're gonna need something to hold your towel down and everything else. Here you go. You're gonna need this little guy right here. Got several of those, and man, they do come in handy. Not a pro tip, guys, but let me tell you, you want to bring sunscreen, especially from the north. You're not like us from the south that live in the summertime all the time. Don't forget your fish finder. This is going to be our fish finder this time. Dogs and cats. Yeah. Alright, ladies, you don't want to forget your ears. And your Disney Cruise Line ears. These are the ones that we've gotten over the years. We got the 25th anniversary too, and many others. But these are the ones that Diana selected. She's going to take this time on the ship. You see her on the ship, come talk to her about ears. She's got over 200 sets of ears, guys. Little buddy. Tell everybody hello, Zero. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Tramp? Hey, buddy. Crypto. Hey. I know you know we're leaving, don't you, huh? You know we're leaving. You don't like this idea, do you? No, you don't. Bags are packed. That bag right there is just specifically for all of the pixie dust draw straws that we're going to give away. To everybody that's got a fish finder, hope you get one. We'll leave our business card. Make sure you click like and subscribe when you get one too, guys. Because we got a big one coming after this. We're going to be on the maiden voyage of the Disney Destiny. This is me. This is her. Let's go sell. We love to sell away. The fish tank. In our bedroom. I love aquascaping. Okay, now one of these little bad boys really comes in handy, especially if you got a lot of heavy luggage, because you can weigh it out before you get to the airport and make sure it's not over the weight limit. That way you're not at the airport shuffling everything around, and your luggage, you make sure you got everything at the right weight. These bad boys come in real handy, I'll tell you that right now, because you don't want to be over your weight limit on your luggage. So we carry this with us everywhere we go. It don't weigh that much. It weighs less than probably 5 ounces. So it's another good trick if you travel a lot, and especially if you're going to be bringing stuff on the Disney Cruise Line and off the Disney Cruise Line. Although it's not required, man, it sure makes life a lot easier if you can get yourself a Disney Band Plus. Plus, they do interact with some of the dining experiences. And don't forget your hand sanitizer. Pretty important there. You're gonna need these. Passports, if you have them. And let's not forget about that. You're gonna need your luggage tags. Take them with you. You can put them on before you get to the port if you're going to the parks first. If not, I still suggest waiting to get there until you get to the port to put them on your luggage, or when you hand your luggage over to the cruise line transportation. Don't forget your cell phone. You're going to need it for the navigator. Hey, there's me and Mickey. Well, you can't see me on the 25th anniversary selling. Alright guys, I hope that gives you a good idea on the type of stuff that I might be bringing on my Disney cruise, and I suggest you might want to think about it too. And there's probably a million other things that you can bring, like I didn't show you magnet hooks, which everybody knows is probably a good idea to bring those. You know, maybe a flashlight wouldn't be a bad idea. And I always bring I have a flashlight on my LED charger, so it's another thing you might want to bring is a USB charger to charge your phone with, in case for some odd reason you need to charge your phone and you know, you can't get it off the ship for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's broken, who knows. But that's another good idea. And guys, until next time, man, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please click that subscribe, click that like, because we're going to bring you the Disney treasure. Then we're going to bring you the maiden voyage of the Disney Destiny. So here we go, guys. We're starting out our 2025 with a bang. Let's go.